Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable wireless networking cards on Dell 6320 Detachable. To do it, go to connection in BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. Then in the connection tab, find wireless device enable, and you can enable or disable wireless LAN, Bluetooth or NFC. So you can just enable or disable these, and when they are enabled or disabled, they will not work in the system, so you will not be able to connect to the ones that are unchecked here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.